Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a delicious and simple breakfast, avocado toast. All ingredients below in my info box. We're gonna need the bread, prosciutto, ham, sausage. This is optional. A little bit of parsley, avocado, and egg. So let's get started with the recipe. So the first thing, I'm gonna toast the bread, both sides. And in another pan, we are frying the egg. And I'm gonna mash the avocado until we get a puree. Now let's chop the parsley. And here I have our toast, and I'm going to spread the avocado puree over the toast. And over the avocado toast, I'm gonna place the egg. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley. And in the other toast, I'm gonna place the prosciutto and parsley. And guys, this is optional. You can sprinkle the red pepper hot flakes. And here you have a delicious breakfast, easy and simple. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. She's my dog. Her name is Candy, my little partner in crime in my recipes every Wednesdays, and she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.